Well, what's going on, guys? Yeah, we have a 2010 Dodge Journey over here in the garage. We bought it at an auction. It originally, it ran okay. Had a little misfire, so we had put it on the scanner and came up with a code for a cylinder 6 misfire, as well as injector, which would be the cylinder. So we, as well, we had an issue with the brake pedal going to the floor. So it needed front pads and rotors. Anyway, so we did the front pads and rotors, and we did the passenger strut as well. Because if you can see, yeah, right, we got barely any tread on the outside of this tire here. So on this side here, it's not the best tire in the world, but better, the passenger strut was banging. So we get taking out the brake booster. Lighting's kind of pretty bad. Let's see if we can fix that real quick. Yeah, took out the brake booster already. It's crazy. Things are getting pretty expensive these days, Let's see. Okay, we took it out. It's all out now. We actually had to take out the cross member that goes from the strut towers, and we had to take out the cowl. And if you take a look in here, we will show you what we had to do in here. We had there's 4 bolts up under here, right? That go through the firewall that hold the brake booster to the pedal. So we had to take those 4 bolts out, and then we removed the pin from the booster that connects to the brake pedal, which is right there. But they say to disconnect the brake pedal, this plug, but no need to. You just zip tie it. It's mainly just so it doesn't keep the brake lights on, because when you take the brake booster out, the brake pedal is going to want to go down and hit the brake switch. So here we got the new one. Oh, there's the old one, yeah. Here's the new one. Same thing. They're in better shape. But they also did something in the rear end, because if we go back here, you'll see there's 2 studs broken here. Right there, right there. And actually, believe it or not, on this lug nut there was a 3/4 inch socket. So they were doing something in the rear end, and I actually done a little bit of digging, and it kind of find out they had replaced the rear sway bar and the rear springs. It doesn't look like they completed it. You see there? See that's missing. I got a stud missing there. It's just the center cap. I can also tell that the brakes are no good. These rotors, the pads weren't even touching, so it needed to be done. But we'll get going here and get this put together. So, a little time lapse and Get it going.